Hi guys, welcome back. So today this continue the my BMX engine for bicycle. So if you can see, this is the engine from the Honda Wave 125. So what I want to do right now is the housing to put the engine, like a engine bracket. So what I do right now, so I just have this item, and then I just put here, also here, and then here for the housing, engine housing. So I have this one is L bracket, so I make be like this. So I want to put here, and then need to welding here, So if you can see, this is 2 inches and 2 inches size here. You can see the line is same from the engine line here. You can see until below, this is a one line. So for here, for below have a, I just put this bracket and then put here, and then put the screw. So also this one is the L bracket, so I'm welding like this for the temporary. So just to put here, like this, and then need to welding here. So if you can see, this one is what I do, the engine bracket. So the finishing need to welding here, and then all parts need to welding. Also below this need to welding, and then we can open back and then make a finishing, very good finishing. So like this. Okay, that's all guys for I'm sharing for my BMX project. This is for engine housing here. This is part number 2. This is number 2 posting today. Thank you very much guys.